lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Elise London, and welcome to my channel. For those who do know me and always is tuned in, welcome back. Woo! I'm so excited for today's video, guys, because we are going to be reviewing this wig from Oxeye Girl, and they reached out to me and they sent me over their brand new 4C Edges 22-inch lace frontal wig. And when I tell you, I've been wanting this wig ever since I set eyes on it on the gram. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited when they wanted to work with me, and I just can't control my excitement right now. So thank you so much to this brand for putting your girl on. Inside of the box, you get the hair itself, you get a pack of lashes, and you get a pack of 2 wig caps, and you also get 2 elastic bands. So this is the hair itself. I could not believe my eyes when I first saw this hairline, because this hairline is the most realistic hairline I've ever seen on a wig. I kid you not, like, it looks so realistic. It looks bomb. When it comes to them edges, they got everything right down to the T. For those who are wondering, this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, so you get a good amount of parting space to work with. Inside of the cap, you get about 4 combs and a little bit of lace at the back if you want to put it up in a high pony, and adjustable straps for extra securement. Alrighty guys, let's get into the fun part, which is pretty sure the reason why you clicked on this video.
Straight to the future, just like Future. That's me, that's me. Not going back. Forget the past, man. I can't turn back. We're moving forward, past the red lights. Air supply on the mic, it's all I need. Yeah, can't touch the mic without me being present. Yo, it's Christmas, I got that present. Yo, you can't get enough from. Yo, I keep on going, and I keep on flowing, but I'm not going back. I'm moving forward, straight to the future, just like Future. That's me, that's me. Not going back. Forget the past, man. I can't turn back. We're moving forward, past the red lights. Air supply on the mic, it's all I need. Yeah, can't touch the mic without me being present. Yo, it's Christmas, I got that present. Yo, you can't get enough from. Yo, I keep on going, and I keep on flowing, but I'm not going back. I'm moving forward, straight to the future, just like Future. That's me, that's me. Not going back. Forget the past, man. I can't turn back. We're moving forward, past the red lights. I'm not going back. I can't turn back. No, them can't believe. Out here to achieve. Avoid making a scene. Plot silently. Accomplish all my dreams. Wu-Tang make that cream. Lotion on the beach. Living peacefully. It was all a dream. Hypnotize the crowd. Step on stage. Full of rage. Lyrically, naturally, not fake. Originality. In this life I lead. Doing good deeds. Can't turn back. No, I'm not going back. Hey, can't turn back. Hey, not going back. Yo, not going back. Can't turn back. Not going back. Hey, forget the news fees.